Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat video sound not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open Snapchat, and then you have to tap on your profile, and then tap on settings, scroll it down. You have to tap on notifications, and you have to enable both of these from here, and then go back. And then let me tell you that you have to open settings, or you have to hold this one, and you have to tap on app info, and you have to allow all the permissions to TikTok. And then what you have to do is just simply tap on notifications, and you have to turn the toggle on for play sound. Then go back, force stop the app, then open Snapchat from here, and then let me show you from here. Hello. Here you can see, just simply tap on plus, and you can add sound from here. You can add favorite one from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is useful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.